What are FBA keyword rankings? FBA keyword rankings refer to the position your Amazon product listing holds in search results when a customer searches for a specific keyword. The higher your ranking, the more visible your product becomes, increasing the chances of generating clicks and sales. These rankings are crucial for Amazon FBA sellers because visibility directly affects organic traffic and revenue growth. Keyword rankings are determined by several factors, including product relevance, sales performance, customer reviews, and optimized listing content. With tools like Helium 10, sellers can track keyword performance in real time, analyze trends, and identify which keywords are driving the most traffic and conversions. Helium 10's keyword tracker allows sellers to monitor daily rank changes and adjust their strategies to stay competitive. Many successful FBA sellers rely on Helium 10 to manage and improve their keyword rankings consistently. By combining keyword insights with listing optimization, advertising, and pricing strategies, they ensure their products remain highly visible to potential buyers. This helps build long-term organic growth and reduces reliance on paid ads. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to expert keyword ranking tools that help you track, optimize, and grow your Amazon FBA visibility with accuracy and confidence.